10 Best Side Hustles Making 100 Plus Per Day. Earning $100 a day online without any specialized skills is an achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the time and effort. The key to success lies in diversifying your income streams and approaching the goal systematically. Instead of aiming for the entire $100 at once, you can break it down into smaller, manageable chunks, such as earning $10 from each of several side hustles. This not only makes the process more attainable, but also builds a steady and diversified financial foundation. Here's an expanded look at 10 simple side hustles that require no expertise but can deliver consistent results. One of the most effective platforms to start with is Respondent, a market research site that pays participants to complete surveys and engage in studies. Respondent is known for offering the highest paying opportunities compared to other survey platforms. For instance, some studies can pay as much as $700 for in-depth participation. While these high-paying options may not appear daily, simpler surveys that pay between $10 and $15 are consistently available. Spending just 30 minutes a day on Respondent is enough to meet your $10 daily goal, and the steady flow of opportunities ensures reliability. Signing up is easy. Simply create a participant profile and start browsing the job board for surveys and tasks that match your interests. Another excellent option is Swagbucks, a platform where you can earn money by participating in discussion panels or completing other simple tasks like watching ads or taking surveys. Discussion panels in particular are a straightforward way to secure your daily target, often requiring less than an hour to complete. The platform is user-friendly, and joining is as simple as registering and navigating the available opportunities. TaskRabbit offers another lucrative way to earn. By creating a profile showcasing your abilities, you can get hired to complete small tasks, both virtually and in person. Tasks range from data entry and research to helping someone assemble furniture. What makes TaskRabbit particularly appealing is its flexibility. You can choose to work from home or venture out if the task requires it. Virtual tasks like research or data entry are popular choices and do not require any advanced skills. With the right approach, completing a task or two can easily net you $10 or more in a day. If you enjoy writing or are open to using tools like ChatGPT for assistance, iWriter is an excellent platform for creating content and earning money. The site allows you to write articles on various topics, including product reviews, how-to guides, and listicles. For example, you could use AI tools to draft a 500-word article on travel destinations, then make minor edits to personalize it. Articles typically pay around $15, so writing just one a day surpasses your $10 goal. This is an especially appealing option for those who want a creative outlet. Testing websites is another simple and effective way to earn. Platforms like User Testing, TryMyUI, and UserFeel allow you to provide feedback on websites and apps, with each test paying around $10. The tasks are straightforward, often taking no more than 20 minutes, and typically involve navigating a site or app and sharing your thoughts on the user experience. Payments are usually made via PayPal, making it convenient to cash out your earnings quickly. By signing up for multiple platforms, you can ensure a steady stream of testing opportunities. For those who prefer straightforward surveys, platforms like SurveyJunkie and Vindale Research offer an easy way to earn money. Surveys typically pay $1 to $3 and take only a few minutes to complete. With a daily goal of $10, you can focus on completing around 7 surveys. The simplicity of these tasks makes them an ideal option for multitasking, as they can often be done while watching TV or relaxing. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, provides another opportunity for micro-earnings by completing small tasks that require human intervention. Examples include identifying objects in photos, labeling videos, or categorizing data. Although each task pays just a few cents, the platform offers a high volume of tasks, allowing you to accumulate earnings quickly. By setting a daily goal and working consistently, you can easily reach $10. Another effective microtasking platform is OneSpace, which offers simple tasks like categorizing content or performing light data entry. These tasks often pay between 10 cents and $1.50, meaning you only need to complete a handful each day to hit your target. The platform is easy to navigate, and the work can often be completed in minutes, making it ideal for busy individuals. Finally, ClickWorker rounds out the list as a reliable microtasking platform. Similar to MTurk, ClickWorker allows you to perform small tasks such as data annotation, online research, or audio transcription. With tasks paying a few cents each, consistency is key to accumulating earnings. Many workers find that the platform offers enough daily opportunities to consistently reach their financial goals. By combining efforts across these platforms, you can create a steady and diversified income stream. The beauty of this approach is its scalability. Once you're comfortable earning $10 from each hustle, you can double your efforts to bring in $20 per hustle, resulting in $200 a day or $6,000 per month. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for a goal, or build financial independence, these side hustles provide a straightforward and accessible path to success. Consistency and dedication are the keys to transforming these small daily earnings into a significant and sustainable income. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.